Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now we are discussing the derivatives of some standard composite functions. Means already we did know d by dx of x to the power of n is what? N into x power n minus 1. If our question is d by dx of 2x plus 3 whole cubed is what? This is our question. But it is not equal to n, means it is not equal to n means what? 3. X means 2x plus 3 whole to the power of 3 minus 1. It is not in that sense. But what? So for which we shall give one beautiful formula. So what I am telling that whenever, for example, what I said, d by dx of 2x plus 3 whole cubed is what? It is our question. So this part is, it is not equal to x. If it is x, means that situation simply like that. Then we can write directly 3 into x to the power of 3 minus 1. There ends the matter. But it is not x. It is 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 not at all equals to x. That's why we should not write like that. That's why in this case we are telling that this is something f of x. It is n. What I am telling that? It is basic formula. It is mother formula, means base, and d by dx of instead of x, any other x is there, say first f of x and whole power n same. In this case we follow the same structure, n same into instead of x write f of x, okay, powers, coefficients, signs same. Additionally, write into f dash of x because of it is a composite function. Understand? Now example. D by dx of, first I will show example for this standard. X cubed is equal to simply 3 into x square, for which d by dx of 2x plus, suppose take 5 whole cubed. This is the question. So that is equal to n means what? 3. F of x means what? 2x plus 5. So n means 3. F of x means 2x plus 5 whole to the power of n 3 minus 1 into f dash means d by dx of f of x. It is nothing but d by dx of. It is nothing but d by dx of f of x. So d by dx of f of x means 2x plus 5. So on simplification it is 3 into 2x plus 5 whole square into d by dx of, this is f of x, this is g of x. So it can be written as d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 5, just like that. So that is equal to 3 into 2x plus 5 whole square into d by dx of, it is in the form of d by dx of k into something f of x is equal k into d by dx of f of x. So k into d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of constant already is at 0. So therefore 3 into 2x plus 5 whole square into 2 into 1 d by dx of x 1 plus 0. Okay, so that is equal to 3 just 6 into 2x plus 5 whole square. So this is the simple application for the formula d by dx of f of x whole to the power of n. So this is the basic, this is the composite function. This is the derivative of the composite function. Okay, next one. d by dx of algebraic over, you can take instead of root of something also. Okay, I will show the different solutions in the exercise problems, so don't worry about that. Just to take one example for each formula. Okay, d by dx of log x is what? I mean base e, that is equal to 1 by x. Okay, and d by dx of log base e is something f of x. So instead of f of x you can write anything, it is out of question. So same structure, 1 by x means 1 by f of x into d by dx of f of x or f dash of x, just like that. Next, d by dx of log base a x is what? Already I said it is 1 by x into log a to the base e, and the composite function d by dx of log base a something f of x. Just you follow the same structure, that is equal to 1 by, instead of x write f of x into log a to the base e into d by dx of f of x, or simply f dash of x. Next, okay, we can take any example instead of f of x. Next, d by dx of e power x is what? Simple formula, same, e power x. And d by dx of e power something f of x, that is equal to same structure, e power, instead of x write f of x, besides write into d by dx of f of x, or simply f dash of x. Next, d by dx of a power x is what? Standard formula, a power x into log a to the base e, and d by dx of a power something f of x means other than x, whatever it is, whatever the function it is. So same structure, a power x means a power f of x into log a base e into f dash of x, or d by dx of f of x. So next, e power x log x x power n, just like that, over d by dx of, already I said d by dx of 1 by x to the power of n is what? Minus n divided by x power n plus 1. This is the basic formula. Okay, and d by dx of 1 by something f of x whole to the power of n. F of x is what? Other than x in each and every case. That is equal to minus n, same structure, divided by x means instead of x we are writing f of x whole to the power of n plus 1. Structure is over. Lastly, into d by dx of f of x, or simply f dash of x. Now let us consider the trigonometric functions. D by dx of sin x is what? Already I said it is cos x. This is the simple direct application. Okay. Next, for example, our question is d by dx of sin of 3x square minus 2 is what? D by dx of x is simply cos x, but d by dx of sin of x, d by dx of sin of x equal to cos x. Okay, d by dx of sin of, but it is not x, it is not at all equals to x. That's why Don't write like that. Means write not equal to cos of 3x square minus 2 only. But what? But what means dy here, it is not x, it is other than x. Therefore, let it be f of x. Then structure will becomes dy by dx of sine of f of x. It is our question. So, it is cos of f of x, just like that, into f dash of x. F dash of x means what? D by dx of f of x. In the same sense, we can write the composite derivatives of composite functions for all remaining trigonometric functions, namely d by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x, and d by dx of cos of f of x is what? Minus sin of f of x into f dash of x, just like that. Same. Minus same. Sine same. Instead of x, we wrote f of x. Similarly, f of x. And similarly, into f dash of x. Everywhere. So, next, d by dx of tan x equal to secant square x. Tell me, what about d by dx of tan of f of x? And d by dx of tan of f of x is what? Secant. Same. Secant square of, instead of x, write f of x into f dash of x. Next, d by dx of cot x is what? Minus cosecant square x, and d by dx of cot f of x equal to minus cosecant square, instead of x, write f of x into f dash of x, means d by dx of f of x. Next, tan cot secant, d by dx of secant x, is what? Secant x into tan x, and d by dx of secant of f of x equal to what? Secant f of x into tan f of x into f dash of x. It is into. Similarly, and lastly, d by dx of cosecant x equal to minus cosecant x into cot x, and d by dx of, what about cosecant of f of x? Tell me. Structure say minus cosecant of x, means write f of x into cot f of x into f dash of x, or d by dx of f of x. One example. D by dx of cosecant of log x. So, it is only x. It is not x. That's why let it be f of x. So, it goes to this formula, not this formula. So, that is equal to minus cosecant of, what is f of x? Log x into cot of, what is f of x? Log x into f dash of x. F dash of x means what? D by dx of log x. It is to be understood that basic. So that is equal to minus cosecant of log x into cot of log x. D by dx of log x, already I said standard form 1 by x. So it is divided by x over. Exercise 5.2. differentiate the following functions with respect to x. So first question, sine of x square plus 5. First step, let y equal to sine of x square plus 5. Next step, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Means what? D by dx of y, that is equal to d by dx of sine of x square plus 5. So simply it is y dash equal to d by dx of, you come here, d by dx of, actually d by dx of mother formula, d by dx of sin x equal to cos x, and d by dx of composite formula sin of f of x equal to cos of f of x into f dash of x, means d by dx of f of x. So here sin of, it is not only x, that's why we are taking this formula, means we are saying f of x, let it be, it is f of x. Then it is in the form of d by dx of sin of f of x, formula cos of f of x, cos of f of x into d by dx of f of x. So cos of f of x, it is cos of f of x, this one is f dash of x, like that. Next, that equal to cos of f of x, okay, same. Next, basic formula, here it is in the form of again d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x, like that. So standard formula, d by dx of f of x plus g of x equal to, it is simply d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x, or simply it is f dash of x plus z dash of x, like that. So into flower bracket begin, into d by dx of f of x, d by dx of f of x, d by dx of f of x plus d by dx of g of x, so that equal to cos of x square plus 5 into d by dx of x square, direct formula, it is 2x, already I said, d by dx of constant 0. In 5 there is no x, d by dx of with respect to independent variable x, but there is no x, it is a constant, therefore d by dx of constant equal to 0, d by dx of constant, d by dx of any constant, that is equal to 0. So that is equal to 2x plus 0, 2x into cos of x square plus 5. This is the derivative or first derivative of the given function, hence the problem. Actually we are differentiating composite functions with respect to x. It is called differentiation of composite function. Okay, second problem, secant of tan of root x. Let y equal to secant of tan of root x, Same, differentiating differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Therefore, dy dx of y equal to dy dx of secant of tan root x. So that implies y dash equal to, here secant of, let it be total this bracket, actually secant, tan and root. Three forms or three different kinds of functions are there. That's why secant of total tan of root x, let it be capital F of x. So basic formula d by dx of secant x equal to secant x into tan x. This is the basic formula. So composite formula d by dx of secant of f of x equal to secant f of x into tan f of x into f dash of x, f dash of x. So applying that, secant of f of x total, it will be f of x, let it be this total function f of x, secant of f of x means this is f of x, tan of f of x, tan of f of x into d by dx of f of x. This is a d by dx of f of x. This is d by dx of f of x, or simply f dash of x. Next, so that is equal to, it is same, secant of tan root x into tan root x into again d by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x. So d by dx of, but it is not only x, that's why we are treating as f of x. D by dx of tan of f of x equal to secant square of f of x into f dash of x. So secant square of f of x into d by dx of f of x means root x. So therefore final answer will be secant of tan root x into tan root x into secant square of root x into 1 by 2 root x. This is the final answer. Over. Next, example 23. Differentiate sin of cos of x square with respect to x. So, as usually, let y equal to sin of cos of x square. Next, differentiating with respect to x, then y dash equal to d by dx of sin of cos of x square. Here it is not x, that's why treating as f, either small f or capital F of x. It is your wish. So, the basic formula d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. D by dx of composite formula sin of f of x is what? Cos of same structure f of x into f dash of x, like that. So therefore y dash equal to d by dx of sin of f of x. Answer cos of f of x, f of x into f dash means d by dx of f dash means cos of x square, like that. Next, cos x square into d by dx of cos of, again let it be f of x, d by dx of cos x, d by dx of cos x equal to minus sin x, d by dx of cos of f of x equal to minus sin of f of x into f dash of x. So therefore d by dx of cos of f of x is minus, means okay, we can maintain the bracket, minus sin of f of x into d by dx of f dash means d by dx of x square, that equal to plus into, actually it is plus into minus cos x square into sin of x square into d by dx of x square 2x. So this is the derivative of the given function. Over.